Okay, hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. This morning we're going to go and look at the subscription box for Scrawlrbox. It's a subscription box that comes from the UK, and they released it on the 17th of March, and it just arrived on the 8th of April. So it seems like it takes forever to get here from the UK. I'm sure that the quarantine that we're under adds to that, but that would be my only complaint so far. But again, this is only my second box, so let's take a look and see what we got inside. I'm sorry that it's already been opened. It's taken me forever to get this video where I am not stumbling over every single word I say. So we will go through this one piece at a time. So it comes with a menu. I don't want to show you the menu for March until we go through the pieces, and then we'll go back and read what each thing is for. But it comes with a menu just like Art Snack and some of the other ones. They all seem to have a menu of sorts, which tells you what your items are, which is really nice. It also comes with an artwork piece from London. This guy, his name is Hatch, excuse me. And he's got his YouTube, Instagram, and all that on the back here. I will not frame it and put it on my wall, but I definitely have plans for this piece of artwork because I think it's very interesting to look at. So we will definitely be doing something cool with that. As always, you get a nice sticker in your box, which I don't know about you, but I am a sticker junkie, and so this will definitely be going on my art journal as well. Now, as I look into the other parts here, we've got a dust-free eraser by Faber-Castell. I have never tried their dust-free eraser, so I'm kind of excited to try that out and see what happens with that and how well that works. We have an HB Rembrandt, just normal pencil. And then I think it's Monteo black liner, fine liner. This one's it's a 0.4 millimeter. Now, one of the really cool things about Scrawlrbox is they do a challenge each month, which right here you can see the challenge there. Basically, so you do a challenge using everything in the box. And so I take that to mean that you can only use what's in the box. I'm sure you could probably use other things, but I think we're going to definitely work on that and come up with something for that. Now, you cannot have an art session without some kind of candy. So they put the candy in here themselves. This one is a Vimto chew bar, which reminds me of our Laffy Taffies that we get here. It's definitely a taffy type feel to the candy, which I'm excited about. These are Spectrum markers. These are Spectrum Noir, if I'm not mistaken. And they're the Tri-Blend, which is really cool because even though I think they are alcohol-based markers, kind of like your Copics and things like that, this one's really neat because it has 3 different tones inside. So you actually get a light, a medium tone, and a dark tone all in the same pen. So you're basically cutting down carrying 3 markers by just carrying the one, which is really kind of a cool idea. And then it comes with this, I guess it would be considered a fine point tip. And they're all the same, which is really kind of neat. The size of the tips. So this one is turquoise blue. We got a golden brown, and then we got a antique pink, which I really think these colors are pretty nice. I think a nice blend because you could do a face or you could do other things using these colors. And then this month they sent in an actual 20-piece sheet of paper, which was strictly designed for them, which is really kind of nice, of gold lines. This is a bleed-proof paper. Now, thickness-wise, it is about as thick as a piece of vellum. So I'm not sure how well that's going to hold up as bleed-proof, but we will definitely play with that and figure that out here in just a second. And that is the bottom of the box. So this box cost me $26, I think, because I'm in the US. It would have been $20 just in the UK. For $20, I think you did pretty good because these are pricing at Hobby Lobby at maybe $7 a piece. These markers are, and I'm sure the paper costs something, and then you've got your other items. But let's take a look at the card here. So now the card goes to tell you a little bit about the Spectrum Noir blendable markers, and then you've got a detailed about your fine liner and how it is water-based, your pencil, eraser, and then even your paper is all on here. But what I really like is that at the bottom, they give you a challenge each month. And it's written on the box as well. And the challenge is just to create something using the supplies in the box. Each month they'll give you a challenge word or a phrase, and you can interpret it however you wish. So try to create something using only the supplies in the box. Good luck. So we are definitely going to have to check that out, because I don't know about you, anytime I get a challenge, it's definitely something that I have to step up to. So this is what's in the box here in just a second. Actually, we can do this right now. We don't have to wait. The lid fell off. So let's see if we can just get the piece of paper off to the side there, and we will just go straight on here since it's bleed proof and check these things out. So here we go. We have got a regular HB pencil. We all know what that looks like, but you can see if I can get in here. So you can make it really dark if you want, or it can be extremely light, which is nice, which is the same with any pencil. There's not much you can do about that, or not many ways you can look at that. And then next we have the 0.4 millimeter black pen, and you can draw, different lines. You can do your cross hatching, or you can color little specks. So there's that. Not much you can do as far as making a swatch of something. And I apologize if this is hard to see. I'm actually filming upstairs, and I need to set up get downstairs where I belong. All right, so this is one of the tri-blend colors from Spectrum Noir. And the first color, if I can do this with holding the camera at the same time, that's supposed to be the light. This is the medium. And then this, if I can get it over here with the rest of them, is the dark, which is kind of a neat, I like that actually. I can leave that in pieces right here so you can kind of see what they look like. Let's try the blue one next. So this one again starts with the light. Oh, that's light. I'd hate to, it's really going to get dark, isn't it? There's the light. Whoop. Here's the dark. I don't really see much, a little bit of difference there. And then, excuse me, that was the medium. And this is the dark. I almost think they look kind of like the same color. They seem to look like the same color. And then this last one, we will start with the light again. It's right here. This is definitely a flesh tone color, which is a good thing. This one is the medium. Yeah, you can definitely see the color differences in this one. And then the dark. And then, you can blend them as you see fit. But there are the three colors and everything that we tried in the box. Let's check to see if the back, if it actually is bleed proof paper. Well, it is, it ghosted. So I don't know if that's considered bleed proof really. I personally don't like it when it does that, but it did not dirty the other page, so I guess it's right in saying that it is bleed proof. So that was the box. I appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. I am going to do my art piece in a few minutes, and then I will upload that in a separate video. So thank you to Scrollerbox for my box actually arriving. Thank you for something fun to play with and kind of think outside of the box. No pun intended. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.